Hi, everybody. Welcome to our very last set of lecture recordings for SOC 101. I've had a great time working with you all this semester. I've gotten to know some of you better than others, but I guess this will basically be goodbye as far as the lectures go. Just a little bit of class business here. We have our final exam, which opens this week. And that reminds me, before I continue, go ahead and open your lecture quizzes so that I can give you the answers to them. Okay, so your the first answer in your lecture quiz regards the final exam, which opens at noon on Wednesday of this week, May 22nd, and closes at 11:59 p.m. on Friday of this week, May 24th. And that's the answer to your first quiz question. It's selection number 2. The exam is going to be a lot like the midterm. It's, I believe, 40 multiple choice questions. You will have 60 minutes to take the exam once you've begun, and it must be completed all in one sitting. There is a final exam study guide posted in modules on Canvas, and it's been there for a few weeks now. So be sure to take a look at it and use it to guide your reading for this exam. So this week we only have 2 assignments. The first is the lecture quiz, which you're completing now, and the second is what I call an extended response journal. We don't have a discussion board, so in place of that, and a shorter journal, I have a longer journal. It's about probably 3 times longer than any other journal that we have in this class, and it's for 20 points. That must be completed by Friday of this week at 11:59 p.m. And that goes really for all assignments. Anything that's outstanding must be turned in no later than Friday, May 24th at 11:59 p.m. and no work will be accepted after Friday at 11:59 p.m. I wanted to say a word about last week's lecture and lecture quiz. Last week's lecture got posted, but somehow, I don't know what went wrong, but the lecture quiz didn't get posted. And for that reason, I'm canceling the lecture quiz and I'm going to give everybody in the class points for the quiz, whether you looked at the lecture or not. Everyone's going to get a freebie on that one because there was some technical issue with the lecture quiz last week. And that's it for this particular recording. There are 3 more recordings coming up in this set. They are a little shorter than the usual ones, but be sure to listen to all of them. And I want to thank you again for being a great class and wish you all a wonderful summer. If you have any questions for me between now and the end of class or even beyond, don't hesitate to email me. Okay, thank you so much.